Let's start. In one of our previous videos about the horizontal lines, I forgot to show you how to show coordinates on the line. But thanks to some of our viewers for asking and reminding me of that, so let's do that in this tutorial. This is the indicator function with name, horizontal line with coordinates. I have hard-coded some value here. Then I have plotted a horizontal line here of the above said value. There is no default attribute in the horizontal line to show a text. So we have to use a label. Here we check if this is the last bar on the chart, as I want to show a label on the very last bar only. Then we draw a label with the horizontal line's value as a text. We keep the label style to none. The first argument of the label.new function is the position of the label. To keep the label a little right to the last bar, we have added 5 to the bar index. And finally, as I want only one label to appear at a given time, I have deleted all the previous labels in this step. Let's add this indicator to the chart. As you can see, we have a horizontal line, which also shows its coordinate value as the text. So that's it. That's how you can show a coordinate of the horizontal line in the Tradingview pinescript. Thank you.